I'm fine, I won't lose my mind. I don't need your dumb distractions. I'm no abstraction. I'm fine, I won't lose my mind. You won't get the satisfaction. I'm no abstraction, no. Every day it starts the same. I get a taste of where I came from, but I can't recall my name or any other thing. Every time I start to crack, my friends are there to get my back. We're like that house of cards and facts. I know they fall apart without me.
Hey mommy, you okay? You looking rough today.
Well, that's so nice to say.
Sorry.
I stare into the mirror and repeat the label. I'm fine, I won't lose my mind. I don't need your dumb distractions. I know abstraction. I'm fine, I won't lose my mind. You won't get the satisfaction. I know abstraction, no. I cannot eat, I cannot sleep. I have a mouth but I can't scream loud enough to change the scenery inside of this machinery. A polygonal prison made of 1 and 0 digits, and I wonder if that's all I am, this form that I've been given, or my mind is in a coma and this nightmare will preserve it. Maybe this is all a test, maybe somehow I deserve it, and these thoughts that fly inside my head, I'm so existential, that's why I lie awake, meditating, wishing but I'm fine, I won't lose my mind. I don't need your dumb distractions. I know abstraction.